Sisters, come take a look at what I've planted. The mint has grown into such a big pot. I usually use it for cooking. Summer is coming and it's getting hot, so I'll use it to make a summer. A particularly useful item, floral water. In summer, when there are many mosquitoes, we make it. After that, they can all be put into our hands. Spray a little on your feet. It's really so comfortable. Clothes. This? Fresh mint is best. Fresh ones, we call them thin here. Actually, its scientific name is also called patchouli. The origin of this herbal dew is from ancient times, which is believed to strengthen the stomach. Dew was introduced to China from Japan. Its name is taken from Jiangxi's flowers, and dew are heavy, grasses are low and faces are pale, and Li Bai summer day. Twilight. Yun dishing. If it's peeled, then They. Using fresh ingredients will enhance the aroma. Let's cut it in two. Smaller pieces bring out the flavor more easily. Long, give him another wash. You can add some salt when washing. It will make it cleaner. We people from Jiangxi have a very deep affection for mint. In Jiangxi, where it's humid, hot, and humid with lots of mosquitoes, the scent of mint is just right. It has a strong cooling effect and is especially easy to grow, so each household will plant some. Like me. When we usually cook fish. When stir-frying edamame, or even when pan-frying cucumbers. Add some flavor. Very unique. You can also try it in the summer. It's great for making floral water. After washing, we spread it out in a winnowing basket and let it air dry. Using direct sunlight is enough. Just let it air dry. Prepare an extra glass bottle. Wash it with alcohol. After chopping, add the dried mint leaves. Add a little bit of the honeysuckle we showed off last time. The honeysuckle can enhance the fragrance, but the overall scent is softer. Then pour in 75%. The amount of alcohol must completely submerge all the ingredients. Many of you might be wondering why. We need to use 75% alcohol because of this concentration. It can both extract the fragrance components from plants and is more suitable for daily cleaning. After sealing the clean spray, then soaking it for 3 or 4 days is enough. We can shake it a bit to make it more even. Alright, time's up. Let's take a look. The ink pad has turned into black ink. The green indicator means it's almost ready. Then we'll filter it again using a filter bag. Look. This is the concentrated stock solution. The original liquid will have a very strong smell. It is strongly advised against using it directly. It is best to dilute it at a ratio of 1 to 2. Add twice the amount of cooled boiled water. I have 1000 milliliters here. 300 milliliters of water add it to 2000 ml. This concentration is just right, then pour it into a bottle. Doing it like that last time was really enough. In 1 year after packing, it can be stored in the refrigerator. Want to use? You can take it out and use it when needed, but we must pay attention to the following when using it. You can start by applying it to the inside of your arm. Apply a little bit to test if there are no problems, then use it normally. If you do it this way, the dew will have the natural scent of the plant, just like when summer comes, regardless of is it on the feet or the body? in hand. You can apply it. A little bit comfortable. Fresh and clean cut sisters. This method is really not difficult at all. If you like it, you can also try it. Try it.